my collection. This is a 1955 Thunderbird Roadster, finished in beautiful Thunderbird and rare Thunderbird blue with turquoise and white interior, white hardtop, and white soft top. It underwent a complete professional restoration, including exterior, interior, bright work, top, mechanics, and the investment exceeds $66,000. There's a complete portfolio of receipts which go with the car. It is equipped with every option that could be ordered in 1955, including the Ford-O-Matic automatic transmission, master power steering, power brakes, power windows, power seats, Town and Country power radio, and in the glove box is a discreetly located AM/FM CD player with Bluetooth. This car is showing 40,000 miles, which is documented, and we believe it is correct. It was a Georgia car. We acquired it from the owner's wife's estate. It also includes the wide white wall tires, the Ford scripted full disc wheel covers, tinted glass windows, and if you look down the sides of it, it is as straight as an arrow. We're now going to take some shots of the interior. You can see how lovely the door panels are, the door seals, the AM/FM CD player, the original owner's manual, the carpeting, and the seat. It also has a set of Thunderbird scripted floor mats. Behind the seat is the lovely rear apron, which covers the soft top, and it comes with a remote control for the AM/FM CD player, which, as you can see, is show quality. There's an original wide white wall tire, the original jack, and a painting which the owner had commissioned for his wife, which is absolutely beautiful. As the trunk shows, the rubber molding has all been updated, both on the trunk and the doors and all of the other good places, and it comes with the an original Georgia 1955 license plate. Here we have the portfolio of the restoration, including photographs, license plates, and tens of thousands of dollars in receipts, which of course accompany the car and is part of its provenance. Now we are reviewing the engine compartment, which has been finished to a very high quality show status. This car is won at local shows every time it has been showed. It comes equipped with the beautiful chrome engine dress-up kit. The carburation has been upgraded to a more reliable 4-barrel carburation. As you can see, you can lick the firewall of this car. It is absolutely show quality in every way. One of the significant upgrades is the 12-volt electrical system, which has been implemented for reliability and improved touring and improved lighting of all the lights at night driving. Let's go ahead and start it and let you hear it run.